Welcome to the Maths Fun EKM YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about water. Why water is essential to our world? Because all plants and animals must have water to survive on Earth. So let's talk about water chemistry. How water is formed? All you know, water is formed from hydrogen and oxygen reaction. It is exothermic reaction. Because of that, release to energy the environment. In this reaction, you can see hydrogen react with O2, get H2O molecules. H2O molecules. All you know, water is a polar molecule. They have covalent bonds between hydrogen and oxygen. This molecule have permanent dipole moment, not like a induced dipole moment, uh, like a bromine, I2, Cl2, like molecules. You can see in first picture H2O structure. uh, Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so this bonding electron pull to the oxygen atom. This bonding electron pull to the oxygen atom. As a result, on the oxygen atom get partial negative charge and hydrogen atom gets partial positive charge. In second picture you can see what is the direction of permanent dipole moment in H2O molecule. In this bonding electrons pull to the oxygen atom. In this bonding electron pull to the oxygen atom. As a result, in red direction, you can see total dipole moment direction. It's a dipole moment is vector. It is we should write direction of this measurement. Now we can talk molecular geometry and shape of the water molecule. All you can see in these two pictures, water molecule have tetrahedral geometry because it has two sigma bonds and two electron pairs, but its shape is angular with 104.5 bond angle. No, it is sp3 hybridized molecule. You can see it is sp3 hybridized molecule. Normal sp3 hybridized molecule within 4 sigma bonds, it has 109.5 bond angle, but this water molecule have 104.5 bond angle because you all can see this oxygen atom have two electron pairs. Two electron pairs are repel each other and decrease the bond angle. As a result, this bond angle is show 104.5 bond angle. A water molecule can make four hydrogen bonds. In this picture you can see how four hydrogen bond is formed. In oxygen atoms, electron pairs interact with other water molecule hydrogen atoms in two interaction. Hydrogen atom interact with other water molecule oxygen atom, partial positive charge and partial negative charge interaction. You can see one water molecule can make four hydrogen bonds together. In this animation shows how hydrogen bond form in a water molecule. There is a water in the world different physical state. In this picture you can see different physical states in water. First is solid water, we can call it's a ice, it's a liquid water. Second one is, third one is vapor, it's gas. In this slide, you can see liquid water and solid water structure. Liquid water and solid water structure. In A, you can see it's a solid water structure like a lattice, but liquid water structure is not like a lattice. Solid water is less denser than liquid water because when water freezes, it expands. As a result, volume is increased and decrease the density. Ice has stable hydrogen bonds because it is lattice form, but liquid water structure is not a lattice form. It has not a stable hydrogen bonds than ice water structure. It's a solid water structure. We can talk about some reactions of water. Some metals react with water very quickly. You can see in sodium, potassium, cesium, calcium. There are exothermic reaction to release the energy to environment. You can see alkali metals react with water and get hydroxide and evolved hydrogen gas. Sodium react with H2O, get sodium hydroxide and H2O. This is a very fast reaction within the water, as like potassium, cesium, calcium are react with water uh, as the same path, uh, with water. How alkali metal react with water very fastly in this animation. Water is a very good solvent for many things. Some organic compounds dissolves in water, making hydrogen bonds, but it is not good for organic compounds. It's a very big organic compounds does not dissolve in water. Special case is in this section. All ionic compounds dissolves in water, making ion dipole interaction. You can see in first picture how sodium plus ion interact with H2O molecules, making ion dipole interaction. All you know, sodium chloride is dissolves in water, making ion dipole interaction. This is a positive charge. This oxygen have negative charge. In this path, we can show the interaction, how it is being processed. In second picture you can see alcohol make hydrogen bonds with water molecule. This oxygen atom electron pair interact with partial positive charge. In oxygen atom interact with hydrogen atom partial positive charge. In this picture you can see how hydrogen bonds form in alcohol. Let's move on to very interesting part. It is a water chemistry in real world. Let's move on to the first case. Water from camel. This is the awesome process in our world. Camel store the fat tristearin in the hump in which energy fat is source of water. You all know camel has two humps. There are two dense fat layers in the that humps. In that fat is burned with O2 and release the H2O. Burn with O2 and release the H2O. Heat can easily escape the muscles to help cool down the body. That's the reason camel can walk in the desert with several days without the water. Without the water. Let's move on to the second case. How made water in air shuttle? They use two methods in airspace. First method is using lithium hydroxide to absorb carbon dioxide and release water. In this reaction, you can see lithium hydroxide react with CO2 and get lithium carbonate and form H2O. The second part is the using electrochemistry knowledge. It is really interesting. You can see this is the fuel cell stack diagram. This it is have anode and cathode. You can see anode have hydrogen fuel, cathode have O2 from air. O2 from air. You can see in anode H2 is oxidized to 2H plus ions and release the electrons. Then that release electrons gain from the O2 gas and reduce to H2O. So as a result, we can get water from cathode. This is the how water drop in space rocket with zero gravity. All you know, in space we haven't a gravity, so this is water drop in the with zero gravity in the Yeah, space rocket. Yeah, space rocket. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel, clicking the bell icon. Enjoy with the chemistry.